I'm glad that you happen to be my advisor, that if I happen to be your inspiration, it's actually a mutuality between me being also proud of you, that you always excel and perform to the best of the expectations for finance. No? I hope you will not change, no? And our friendship will be tested, no, in time. I will not just serve as your uncle, your father, your best friend, no? Your brother, no? But I guess, as I always try to tell to my students, no? I am here to support, but I would not compromise, no? Because, as I said, the university has to maintain a standard, and we have to qualify. Now, if we happen to be very strict with you, it's because that we would like you to be the best in the industry in the future. Okay? So all the things that we are doing right now is actually a sort of a training, no? Hindi dahil we would like to bully you, no? But we would like to enhance whatever you have right now. I know you are all talented, but this could be further enhanced if we will try to mold you, no, in a better way. Now, like gems, diba? Gems could be shining if it's continuously polished. Okay? So that's how it is. Thank you very much also.